Here's a really quick and easy fix for an LG gas dryer that won't heat anymore. We just have to press this black button that's on the LG gas dryers. So first thing, let's make sure you unplug your dryer. Here's a reset that's only used on the electric dryer, so it doesn't have a button you can press. Here's the right side non-removable panel. Here's the right side panel location. Hopefully yours has a plastic panel that you can use a flat blade screwdriver to pop off. Here's kind of what the panel looks like. It should come off pretty easily just by pulling it off. Here's the left side looking in once you have the plastic cover removed, and if you look in there toward the front you can see the reset button. You can also take out screw number 1 here and then number 2, the vent tube on the back of the dryer. That also gives you really good access to that reset button because yours may not have a side panel that you can remove. Here's pulling out the rear vent tube. Once you take off that screw, you just kind of wiggle it out. And then you reach in and you can press that button. Again, make sure you've got it unplugged so you don't get a shock. Here's a view looking in once that vent tube is removed, and the button's going to be off to your left. Here's what that button looks like again. It should have a clicking feel when you push it on the button. If it doesn't, that means your dryer probably has a broken igniter. So here's the location of the button if you're looking in there from the back with that big red arrow, and just press that and it should reset. Here's another view of that same button. Again, make sure it's unplugged so you don't end up getting hurt when you touch those metal terminals there near the button. If it's unplugged, you'll be fine. So once you've done that, make sure you clean the dryer vent tube. Here's the dryer vent tube, and here's a special tool that you can use. It works really good. It hooks up to your drill or to your battery powered drill, and it goes in and spins out all the material inside the vent tube, and then when you pull the tool out, it brings all that lint out with it. Here's another view of using that tool. You're spinning it in from the outside. So that's what causes that little reset button to trip. If you don't clean out the vent tube, it'll just keep happening. Here's a really good cleaning kit. We'll put a link in the description below. They're pretty cheap. I think this one's for under 30 bucks. And that's going to solve your problem. In our video, and please subscribe to our channel when you get a chance. And also click the little bell notification button so we can send you weekly videos on all the different ways of fixing appliances around your home and saving you lots of money. So thanks again for watching, and please also press the like button for our video if this was helpful to you. Feel free to contact me at the email listed below, which is scottthefixitguy@yahoo.com, with any of your questions.